Hello everyone, my name is Michael, and in this video, I want to talk about how you can get the maximum value out of the Discover It Q1 cashback category for 2022. The Discover It is a credit card where you can earn 5% bonus cashback on specific rotating quarterly categories. If you have the Chase Freedom Flex credit card, the concept is basically the same. You make purchases in certain categories, you get 5% cash back in that category, which is very good for cash back and adds up quickly if you tend to put a lot of spend. But there is typically not unlimited 5% cash back when it comes to using these cards. There is usually a spending limit with how much 5% cash back you can receive. And for the Discover It categories, it is up to $1,500 in spend, giving you $75 in bonus cash back each quarter. For some people, spending $1,500 on whatever categories they have may be a pretty easy task. Your natural spend may just align with those types of spending patterns, and receiving that $75 bonus cash back comes effortlessly. This is different for each person, so what if your natural spend does not align with spending $1,500 on whatever category is eligible for that bonus cash back? One method is to purchase gift cards to help meet that spending limit. In Q1 of 2022, the categories receiving the 5% bonus cash back on the Discover It credit card are grocery stores, fitness clubs, and gym memberships. If you are already part of a fitness club or gym membership, then it goes without saying that you can use the Discover It to pay for those expenses, which will help you reach that spending limit. Are you going to spend $1,500 on fitness clubs or gym memberships across a 3-month period? Maybe you can, but I can't. But the grocery store component is what is interesting to me, because for me, and maybe for you, putting $1,500 of spend at grocery stores is more feasible than putting $1,500 of spend on the other categories. At a grocery store, you're going to be buying things that you would normally buy anyway, but after you've met your natural spend at these grocery stores, you can purchase gift cards and use those to carry out your spending habits at wherever you shop. And by the way, when they say grocery stores, they do not consider Walmart and Target to be in that category. Even though you might do your grocery shopping at Walmart or Target, those two retailers are usually not included in that category. So, when they say grocery stores, they mean Albertsons, Food for Less, Winco, stores like that. If you have any doubt that a certain credit card company may not recognize a certain store as a grocery store, always do a small trial with a small purchase first to be on the safe side, because in the event that they don't, you will only be able to receive 1% cash back. You have the grocery store, you have the natural spend, you know you're receiving the bonus cash back, but what can you do after you've exhausted your natural spend? Buy gift cards. There's a term in the credit card rewards realm called manufactured spend, and the idea of manufactured spend is that you're putting spend on your credit cards in a way where you're purchasing items that are cash equivalents. And you're either foregoing future spending or converting those cash equivalents back into fiat, where you could then take the same amount you spent on those cash equivalents and use it to pay your account. So technically, you are spending money, but practically you are not. And you can use that to meet the spending limits for bonus cash back after you've exhausted your natural spend sources. What kind of gift cards would you purchase? If you get your groceries from the store you're purchasing the cards from, then it's probably not a bad idea to buy gift cards for that grocery store. When you buy gift cards for that grocery store, you're simply spending now with the expectation of using those cards later to pay for what you're going to buy anyway. So instead of using your credit card after you've exhausted your natural spend, you can just use the gift cards and offload them over time. Although you may not be offloading it all at once, you are getting the bonus cash back as if you are, which is really the idea of maximizing the bonus categories. You can also buy gift cards for restaurants that you frequently go to and use those instead of your cards. If you're feeling enthusiastic, You can buy Visa gift cards and use them to pay for money orders of the same amount and convert the funds back into fiat. There's a lot of different ways you can go about this. And really, there's no one-size-fits-all answer for what gift cards you can buy and in what amounts, because each person's spending habits are going to be different. But as a general rule, do not buy any gift cards for any business that you would not normally shop at. You should not let these bonus cashback categories influence your spending habits and buy things you would not normally purchase. At the end of the day, you are still buying products with a credit card, and although there is no money being subtracted from your bank account at the time of the purchase, you are still expected to pay for your items at a later time. If you can't do that, then you should not be using credit cards like this. I do think of this as like a game, where if you play poorly, you will get poor results. But if you play in a methodical way, you will be rewarded for purchasing products that you are going to buy anyway. That is it for this video, everyone. Let me know if you would use these strategies to help max out the bonus cashback category. Thank you so much for watching.